Can you put it back in? Why are you getting mad? You want me to do it? Okay. See? V stands for Victoria. That's what your name starts with. You gonna put it back? Oh, okay. Don't get mad. You gotta fix it. Keep putting it there. You silly. This floor mat is giving my daughter high blood pressure, and I do not approve. Why are you getting mad? Why are you getting mad? Take it out. Oh, be patient. Look, see? And now you can get mad that you can't get it back in. Yay.
It's Bell's weekend sale, Friday and Saturday only. Doors open early at 7 a.m. Open late till 11 p.m. Save on all Real Legends. Now only $14.99. Maria Vanderbilt.
You gonna do it? You little smarty pants. Oh, you did it. You did it. Yay. Yeah, you did it. No, look, see, Z goes here. Well, you gotta flip it. See, Z goes there.